Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. I just got a hair in my mouth. I appreciate you all. So today I would like to give a shout out to the I would like to give a shout out to the last giveaway. Everybody has gotten their bag. It took a little while because one of our winners was in India. So I will throw their pictures up on the screen with the bags that they received. So our winner number 1 was Ivy Sagum. Our winner number 2, Lorena Plattis. Our winner number 3 was Ariana Clark. Our winner number 4 was Tina A, and our winner number 5 was Velma. So congratulations to you all. Please, down below in the comments, congratulate them all. I know we kind of already did that, when they won, but now you can see that they actually got them. So congratulations to you all, and thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate you guys as I grow. Also, don't forget, sign up for the current giveaway. When we hit 1K, there will be another giveaway, 2 winners, 2 large or medium boxes just full of goodies. So don't forget to sign up for that down below. Also, check out my new outro. I ended up adding an outro thanks to my husband. He also did my intro. I don't know which way I don't know why I'm pointing. Anyway. Thanks to my husband, he did my outro. I will start putting his information down below as well. If you are a YouTuber and would like an intro done, his stuff will be down below too. So have a great day. Bye.